Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sushil Shukla. My today's topic is understanding the concept and role of CRM tool for sustainable business growth. So, this concept is very crucial in running a successful business in today's dynamic business environment. So, let us understand what are the learning objectives. So, the key learning objectives are to understand the core concept of CRM, objectives of using CRM tool in business operations, types of CRM and its key components, primary goal of CRM tool implementation, importance of customer touch points, and how to manage customer lifecycle and CRM process integration. And then, of course, we can conclude overall learning outcomes. So let us first understand what is CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. We all know that if there are no customers, if there are no end users, no business related to any product and service across the globe is possible. So customers are the center points, and being center point and the key components of business, they are to be taken care very carefully. So the CRM is a structured tool which is used by companies to smartly manage all interactions with current and potential customers during different customer touch points. What is the core idea of CRM? The core idea of CRM is to improve business relationships, streamline processes, and enhance customer satisfaction through better understanding of customer expectations, along with their pain points, and managing all customer interactions, ensuring superior customer experience that can subsequently lead to delighted customers. CRM systems are broadly categorized into three main categories. Number one is operational CRM. Operational CRM focuses on automating and improving business processes related to customer interaction. The key components of operational CRM are Salesforce automation, that is, the tools that help sales teams managing leads, prospects, opportunities, and customer accounts. Customer service automation, that is a system, CRM system to streamline all the service requests, the case management, and all the customer support services and activities. Then there is a marketing automation where all the marketing activities are smartly managed, whether they are marketing campaigns, tracking all the responses from the customers, and generating leads through initial interaction with the customers. Then there is a customer experience where all the inputs we receive from the customer in terms of customer feedbacks, reviews, and surveys for continuous improvements so that we can ensure enhanced customer experience and customer satisfaction. Number two category is analytical CRM, where the thing which we can measure can be managed effectively. So for all the metrics or measurements, we need analytical CRM, which focuses on analyzing customer data to gain valuable insights and making informed decisions. This is also having subcomponents like data warehousing, where centralized storage of customer data from various sources is stored, and that is used in terms of data analytics. Data mining is a technique for analyzing large data sets to uncover different patterns and emerging trends in the market to better understand the customer expectations and needs. And accordingly, we can customize our product and services. Customer segmentation is dividing all the customers into different groups, which is based on the similar characteristics or behaviors for targeted strategies. We can strategize our actions based on the different customer segmentation. Then there is a collaborative CRM, which is very, very important because whether it is internal or external, the communication or effective communication plays a crucial role because the way we communicate that matters a lot. So the collaborative CRM is aimed to enhance effective communication and collaboration within the organization and with our customers. Means it is ensuring effective internal as well as external customers with all stakeholders. Its key components include communication tools, which includes integration of this particular module with emails, chat, and social media platforms to facilitate customer interaction seamlessly and smoothly. Collaboration platforms, they are the tools for team collaboration and knowledge sharing, often integrated with CRM system to handle all the communication effectively. Let us understand the goal of CRM. The primary goal of CRM is to build and maintain strong relationships with customers by enhancing customer experience. So how we can enhance customer experience? By delivering personalized and efficient interactions that meet or exceed customer expectations. Number two, increasing customer loyalty. Customer loyalty cannot be achieved overnight. It needs continuous effort, or that to sincere efforts with consistency to build trust in customers. And that is possible only through having the right commitment and meeting that commitment. So fostering long-term relationships by understanding and anticipating customer requirements. Improving operational efficiency is another goal of CRM, through which we streamline processes and automate manual tasks to reduce cost and improve productivity. Boosting sales and revenue is another goal, which identify opportunities for upselling and cross-selling and optimizing sales strategies based on customer data and trends. Gaining insights, that is, leveraging customer data analytics to make informed decisions and tailor our business strategies to meet emerging customer expectations, which are always dynamic. Let us understand now what are the customer touch points. Customer touch points are the various interactions and points of contact between a business and its customer throughout the customer lifecycle. Effective management of these touch points is very crucial for successful CRM implementation across all business operations. What are the key touch points? They include the customer's company website, the company's website where customers can learn about products, their services, make purchases, or seek all kind of customer support. Next is customer service. During customer service, interactions through all our departmental stores, our business centers, our call centers, live chats, or email support, where customers seek help or information. All the sales interactions, direct interaction with sales representative during the buying process, including face-to-face meetings, phone calls, and online chats. All these touch points during the sales interaction to be handled very carefully. All the social media platforms are also important touch points in today's world. Platforms where customers engage with the brand, share feedback and reviews, and participate in online open discussions to reflect back their experiences, which are very, very important inputs to continuously improve our product and services. Marketing campaigns. Marketing campaigns or all the marketing events are very important touch points which are created through email marketing, social media advertising, and other promotional efforts through digital marketing. Feedback and surveys. The channels for customer to provide feedback, participate in surveys, and share their options about their experiences, which can be very valuable inputs to further enhance the value and the value for money or all the features which are as per the expectations of the customers. Now let us understand what is customer life cycle, what are the CRM processes, and how customer life cycle is integrated with CRM process. So we understand that initially we interact with the customer through marketing campaigns. And then the first point is how to reach to the customer through different means and ways. Then after reaching to the customer, where we explain about our product and services, about our brands, about our, all details. So during the first interaction, we reach to the customer. And then, of course, the important prospects and leads are generated. And then we acquire customers. The acquisition happens through sales and conversion of leads. And then after the sales activity, where we convert all the prospects and leads into customers or end users, then we go for after-sales service, where if the after-sales service is maintained well, then of course there is a possibility or tremendous possibility of customer retention and customer loyalty. So with that, loyal customers are there, And loyal customers, or satisfied customers, or delighted customers are our very, very prominent assets because they can ensure repeat business and a lot of references in the market, which are very, very important for creating a different in the market and a positive impact towards the business growth. So that is the life cycle, starting from reaching to the customer, acquiring customers, converting them, retention of the customer, and ensuring loyal customers. Then there is CRM process, where through marketing activities, first we generate brand awareness. What is our brand? Because the brand value and brand image matters a lot. And continuously brand building activities are to be taken care so that we stay relevant and competitive in the market. Then, of course, we go for acquiring leads. And then once we have maximum number of leads through marketing activities and campaigns, we go for converting these leads into customers through sales activity and effective sales activities are really having a good conversion rate. So post that, we go for providing superior customer support services, after sales services, where the customer experience is to be taken care, and that superior customer experience will lead to building trust and customer loyalty and delighted customers, and that will drive upsells and many referrals, which can truly enhance our market share and business growth with a sustainability. And that is entire process of CI through which we achieve our business objectives and goals by taking care of the customer very carefully. So overall, we can see customer retention is key here because the cost of acquiring a new customer is usually more expensive than the cost of retaining an existing customer. So customer retention is very, very crucial. That's why each and every customer is to be handled very carefully and smartly managed. Okay. Because we can have a reflection from a Harvard Business Review study where we found out that the businesses can spend between 5 to 25 times more on gaining a new customer than retaining an existing customer. So we can conclude for sustainable business growth, application of CRM like smart tools plays a very, very significant role to smartly manage our customer interactions, ensuring superior customer experience, customer loyalty, enhanced customer retention, and subsequently repeat business through customer referrals and ensuring a significant enhancement in the market share and staying competitive in the market, which is the need of the hour today for continuous business growth. So with this, my overall learning objective are met, and I hope overall it was a good learning session for you all. Thank you so much for your time and attention. And I hope you learned a lot regarding the entire CRM process and the concept and its significance across doing business responsibly and with sustainability and growth. Thank you so much.